morning. Hello, everyone. Happy Sunday. Welcome to Coffee and a Card, my favorite day of the week. My name is Tiffany Almeida. I'm with Pretty and Paper Crafts, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And I go live every Sunday with fun new product and featuring Stampin' Up! Product. And I make super cute projects that you can create or purchase from me. So it's super fun. I'm so glad you're here. I just barely managed to scoot the begging dogs out the doors because I've got treats on my desk that they want. So my dogs have taste tested these treats and they approve. Alrighty, you guys, I'm gonna cover up the screen and I'm gonna bring you down so I can show you this adorable Playful Pet Suite and what we're gonna be making today. Here is this beautiful, wonderful, fun set. Ugh, I still feel like I'm cut off. There. A little bit better. Look at, first of all, guys, the paper. Look at this paper. Look at these cuties. So adorable. And I will show you that some of these dies cut out some of these images on this paper. The rest of them you have to fussy cut, but they're totally worth doing because they're adorable. Okay, so this is the back side. Stripes. Look at these puppies. So cute. And the paws. Oh, and the hearts. I love that. Then we have our little kitty friends. This one's probably my favorite. She's a doll. I love that. So cute. They're all adorable. Look at fur. You guys need some fur paper? How fun is that? Oh, the Scottish fold. Oh my gosh. This one reminds me of my sister's cat. He is a little terrier. He thinks he's a dog and he's not afraid of anything. And then look at the fish. I love that one. So cute. And then the little dog bowls and the leashes and the bones. Cute, cute, cute. I love these with the words. This one's the dog word. It says, or the dog words, wag, play, love, bark, woof, dig, chase, scratch. And then we have our kitty one with our kitty toys and food. And this one's purr, snooze, yawn, paw, jump, love, meow. Cute, right? Oh my gosh. I love this. So these cute little cartoony pets are definitely my cup of tea. And then the stamp set, look at these cuties that you can stamp and color. So you have 2 cat images, 2 dog images, you have a heart, a food bowl, a little mouse, and you have some sentiments. This one is for a loss, like if you've lost a pet, and this one's just for a treat and then enjoy. So really, really fun. There's 5 dies that cut out these 4 images, plus there's a little paw print one that you can cut out, which is fun. Okay, and then I love these little things. These are the Playful Pet Trinkets, and they're like little tags, little dog tags and cat tags. There's a heart and there's a bone. How cute is that? I love these little guys. So fun. And we're going to use that on one of the projects today. And then I love this trim pack, this trim combo pack. I love the black and white striped baker's twine. And then, oh, this one's so cool. This is like ribbon, but it's like sewn or stitched with baker's twine in the center. So it's really, really cool. I love both of them very much. And we're going to use them up today. I love it. Okay. So you guys ready to see the projects that we're making today? Let me show you. So excited. First off, our cute little doggy treat. So one of the things that I do is I go to the store, like if I know I'm going to use the pet suite, right? I'll go to the store and I'll like just search for things that are cute to package, you know, dog treats, dog toys, things like that. And I found these cute little bones at Walmart, a big old bag of them. They're so cute and they just showcase so well in these little bags, these little cello bags. Very cute, right? And then this easy little tag. And let me tell you, there's no stamping, no coloring, no fussy cutting. This is like the easiest little tag you can do, and I'm going to show you how. It's just die cutting and one little stamp. So I'm going to show you that one. The next one is our little kitty treat. I love this one because it's in a cello bag, and well, partly because I love it because it has Swedish fish in it, and I'm a huge Swedish fish fan. And so yeah, this is really cute. This has human treats, but you could definitely put kitty treats in there as well. But this little one I stamped and colored, put on a label, and put on this bag. So I'll show you how to make this bag. These cello bags are Stampin' Up! And you can purchase them, and they are great for a little treat. Now, as I was making these, I will say I was thinking craft fairs. Wouldn't these be great for craft fairs? Because people love their pets. Every time I make treats for my pets at craft fairs, they sell like hotcakes. My last card is a window card. I've never done one of these before, and I thought I would try. And when I saw this Great Dane, I could not resist, and I had to fussy cut him out. He is a doll. And with his little paw up in the air, I thought immediately he's got to hold some balloons. So I punched out some balloons with our balloon bouquet punch, wrapped him around his paw, fussy cut him out, and then I put him on a window. So when you open it, you can see the sentiment inside. Isn't that cool? Now you can see that the back of him is that cute paw paper, which is not a big deal to me, but if it bothers you, you can always back him with a piece of like crumb cake cardstock. So all you would have is like a brown outline if you wanted. Unfortunately, he's not a stamp, so we can't do like a mirror image, which if you did a mirror image, then you could see him through the back, like no problem. So if you did maybe this dog, you could do a mirror image of him on the back side. But I'm going to show you how I did this. Very fun. Never done it before. There's probably a better way to do it, but I had a lot of fun making it, and I'll show you guys what I did. So let's start with the really easy one, and we'll move on from there. Oh, but I should say real quick, you can get all 3 of my projects cut, prepped, and mailed to you for easy crafting for only a $35 order on my online store. If you up it to $50 in June, you will also get a package of the mason jar shaker domes as a thank you gift. So you get my make and takes plus my thank you gift if your order is $50. If it's $35, you can get my make and takes. So make sure you place that order by Friday using my host code, which is in the description of my video, and you will get my make and takes mailed to you for free. Okay? These are not raw hides. I almost didn't buy them because I thought they were rawhides. So these are called Dream Bones, the healthy alternative to rawhide, made with real chicken. So no rawhide. Vegetable outside, real chicken inside. So, just so you know. Because I thought that too, but then I saw no rawhide, and so I was like, oh, okay, it's safe for my puppies. All right, let's go ahead and make this cute little treat box. Oh, wait, I got distracted. I wanted to show you guys the bingo prizes for today. If you did my customer appreciation bingo, but I'll show that at the end. Okay, we're gonna get back on track. So project number 1, our cute little puppy tag. Remember how I told you that there was no fussy cutting, no stamping and coloring in this one? Well, check it out, you guys. See this cutie right here? He fits the dies just perfectly. Look at this. So here's our little puppy, a little Scottish dog. He cuts out perfectly for the dies. So no fussy cutting, no coloring, just simply cutting him out of the designer series paper. Let me move this designer series paper out of the way. Okay, so we've got him. We also are going to use the Stitch So Sweetly dies, which are one of my favorite dies. This hot mess here. It used to be organized, but every time I use it, it ends up not being organized anymore. So you have your stitched scalloped rectangles, which are awesome. And then you have these other little decorative labels. So what we're going to use is, let me get this in order here real quick. We're going to use this tiny little label for this little tag here. Doesn't it look like a dog tag kind of? I don't know. It kind of made me think of a dog tag. And then we're also going to use the second largest, right? Yep, second largest rectangle scallop. So let's go ahead and we're going to cut that designer series paper with the paws and the hearts out of that rectangle. So cute. If I can get these back in. There we go. All right, so I have a piece of that paper, and let me tell you, it broke my heart to cut because look at all the cute dogs I could have fussy cut on the other side. It's hard. I hate when there's 2 sides to a paper that you don't want to cut. It just makes things so much more difficult. All right, so let's go ahead and cut these 3 things out. Get our big shot. All right, now the other thing that I use are these. Now these are retired. These are the 2" by 8" cellophane bags that Stampin' Up! Used to sell. So I had a couple left over, so you can see I have my pack here. You will get one from me if you place that order with me this week. But just note, there are alternatives, like you can order them on Amazon. I ordered a big pack for craft fairs last year on Amazon. So cellophane bag, 2 inches by 8 inches. So just look for a 2-inch cello bag. Doesn't even really need to be that tall. So I have 2 of the little dog bone treats, and they fit just perfectly inside. They smell like bacon, by the way, you guys. My dog, like I told you, has been begging at my craft table all for the last 2 days. All right, so I'm taking my stitched rectangle. I'm just gonna fold it in half, and I'm gonna crease the edge here. It's gonna be our nice little label. And it's super easy. You can just kind of fold over your plastic at the top. There's not enough room for a 3rd bone. I tried. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a staple right in the center of the bag just to kind of hold everything. I just wanna make sure my label's straight. I'm gonna use my retired Stampin' Up! Crafting stapler that Tammy got me that I absolutely love. You can use any kind of stapler. Just make sure that the flat edge goes on the back, because you don't want to like, you know, hook anybody with the back of a staple. So the staple will be hidden in the front, but you'll just want the flat side on the back. So I'm just gonna do it right in the middle. Okay, so flat side on the back. And of course your front is going to be where the paws are going up. The back will be where the paws are going down, okay? Now, I'm going to stamp my little tag here with the word enjoy, and we can do that here in Stays on Black ink. Looks like a little dog tag, doesn't it? So just stamp that right in the middle. That was way crooked, but unless my head is completely directly over it, there's no chance of me getting it right. I'm gonna take my 1/8 inch hole punch and just punch a little hole in the side. That's gonna be where we're gonna string the trim through. And I'll bring this back in so you guys can see what the finished product is supposed to look like. We have a little bone tag. Love that little bone tag. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wrap our baker's twine or trim, whatever it's called, Playful Pets trim, around our label here. And I like to do my stuff upside down, which is why you see my project is upside down. I'm going to go ahead and cut here, because what I want to do is string my label through this side. Maybe. Try to do it without it fraying, but you can always tape the end. That helps things go through easily. I just kind of tried to twist it, but it's not going to work. There we go. Okay, got it. Don't give up. That's the trick. Don't give up. Okay, so now, got to make sure my right ends are on the right sides. So crossed over, then my tag, and then my bone. Okay, so now we can tie a bow. So let me just pull that over a little bit more. Cute, 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 cute. Okay, so we've got our enjoy with our little bone tag, and now we're going to simply put our doggy on with some dimensionals. No, you know I won't give up. I'll sit here and mess with it all day long till it obeys. So I'm just trimming up the scrap edges of my dimensionals. I never waste these borders of dimensionals. Now don't put dimensionals up too high on him, because his head is going to stick up over the top of the label. See how his head is going to stick up? So you just want to do it over the baker's twine or trim or whatever you want to call it. Make sure you hide your staple. That's kind of the most important part. And then you just glue him down. Cute, right? These would be so simple to make up for a craft fair. I love it. Even if you fussy cut some of the little dogs out and had different dogs on the labels, that would be so much fun. Love this project. I hope you guys did too. So many endless ideas on this Playful Pets suite. Okay, so remember you guys, all it takes is a $35 order on my online store, and you can get all 3 of my make and takes from today. You get the 2 treat holders and the cute little card. Everything comes cut, scored, prepped for you, so that all you gotta do is stamp, color, and put it together. You guys, thank you so much for a fun-filled Sunday. All right, the rest of you have a fabulous week, and we will see you next week for more fun, okay? Bye-bye.